Leopard 2A8, the new king of Europe. For over 30 years, the world watched as the Leopard 2 evolved through upgrades and refurbs. But in 2026, the game has officially changed. Germany has finally unveiled the Leopard 2A8, and this isn't just another modification kit. This is the first time in 3 decades that these steel beasts are being built from scratch, forged specifically to survive a battlefield that has become more dangerous than ever before. While the silhouette remains familiar, the 2A8 is a completely different animal under the skin. The most critical leap forward isn't in the thickness of the steel, but in the invisible shield that now surrounds the turret. For the first time, the Trophy Active Protection System is integrated directly into the factory build. This isn't a bolt-on afterthought, it is a permanent radar-driven bubble that can track and intercept incoming anti-tank missiles and suicide drones before they even touch the hull. In a world where $500 drones are killing multi-million-dollar tanks, this system is the Leopard's bid for survival. But the protection doesn't stop at the radars. The 2A8 introduces a new generation of modular composite armor, with a massive focus on reinforcing the roof. After watching modern conflicts prove that the top of a tank is its most vulnerable point, the engineers at KNDS have hardened the 2A8 against top-attack munitions and cluster bomblets. Beneath the turret, the hull has been reinforced with enhanced mine protection, ensuring the crew stays in the fight even when the ground beneath them explodes. When it comes to hitting back, the Leopard 2A8 remains the gold standard for precision. It carries the legendary high-pressure smoothbore gun, capable of firing the latest kinetic penetrators and programmable multi-purpose rounds. This gun allows a commander to reach out and touch targets at extreme ranges, with a fire control system that is now fully digital. Inside the fighting compartment, the crew is operating with a brand new electronic backbone. The gunner and commander now use third-generation thermal imaging and high-definition sensors that fuse day and night vision into a single, crystal-clear tactical picture. To power all this new technology, the tank's heart has been modernized as well. While it keeps the reliable diesel power pack that European armies love for its efficiency, it now features a high-output auxiliary power unit. This allows the crew to sit in silent watch for hours, keeping their sensors and defense systems fully active without the noise or heat signature of the main engine. As we look at the shifting landscape of 2026, the Leopard 2A8 is emerging as the backbone of NATO's heavy iron. It is a machine that balances raw German engineering with the brutal lessons of modern drone warfare. It is fast, it is smart, and with its new active shield, it might just be the most survivable tank ever to roam the plains of Europe.